Nearly everyone could stand to benefit from a little extra income, but sometimes saving extra money and having a full-time job aren't enough. Good side hustles build recurring revenue streams that go a long way in earning extra income. Side hustlers come from diverse backgrounds and sell a wide range of products. They're scrappy, experimental, and view resource constraints as a thrilling challenge, not as a sign to give up. If you're looking to make extra income, here are a few side hustle ideas. 1. Participate in paid online surveys. There are countless companies and market researchers that want to know what people think of their products and services. Websites like Brand Surveys, Swagbucks, and Survey Junkie have a ton of surveys you can get paid to take. Filling out surveys probably won't pay your bills, but it can pad your pocket with extra money for the weekend. 2. Get paid to test apps and websites. Nothing will halt business faster than a website riddled with issues or an app that doesn't work. So, developers get testers to go in and push all the links and play with all the buttons to make sure things work before they go live. Guess what? You can get paid for that. Matchmaking sites like User Testing, UTest, Userlytics, UserCrowd, and Enroll can connect you with a ton of website and app testing gigs. Some competitive gigs even offer $100 for a 60-minute test, so there is money to be made here. 3. Transcribe videos, phone calls, and other recordings. A transcriptionist receives audio files from their clients and types out what they hear. These files may be videos, audio notes, phone calls, or even legal proceedings, so a good ear and quick fingers are crucial. Check out freelancer sites like Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript for paid transcription opportunities. 4. Become a rideshare driver. These days, there are several options for those wanting to drive for a rideshare company. You can always drive for the tried and tested companies like Uber or Lyft, but there are also independent options that cater to specific needs or cities, like Zero, which is largely based in San Francisco, or Wings, which specializes in shuttling people to and from the airport. 5. Deliver groceries. If you enjoy driving but don't always enjoy having strangers in your car, you can sign up to drive for grocery delivery apps. Check out Instacart or SparkDriver, Walmart's delivery app, for grocery delivery side gigs. 6. Rent out your home to vacationers. You likely already spend time caring for and maintaining your home, so why not make some extra cash from it? Renting your home or spare room has big earning potential. Airbnb is the most common way to rent out your home, but you might also try listing it on other apps like Vrbo, Agoda, or Plumguide, UK only. 7. Deliver food. As with grocery delivery, food delivery has become increasingly popular over the past couple of years. Food delivery is an easy-to-start side hustle with a ton of apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, Skip the Dishes, Canada only, and Menulog, Australia and New Zealand only, where you can sign up to become a driver. 8. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise someone else's products or services on your platform and get a commission from any sale that comes from your referral, usually through a unique link or code. This is a great way to combine side hustles. If you have a podcast, are an influencer, or have your own store, get into affiliate marketing. It's a great way to gain some passive income while you're either working on a different side hustle or working on your passions. To get started, go to affiliate marketplaces like Leadpages, ConvertKit, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and find the right products for you. And if you're a content creator, course educator, or influencer working in the world of e-commerce, the Shopify affiliate program might be a great side hustle. 9. Tutor online. Teaching is one of the most rewarding opportunities, and with online platforms like Cambly, TutorOcean, Preply, and Learn2Be, it's easy for anyone to tutor students online. Some young entrepreneurs even start freelancing while in school. Services like tutoring and exam prep are so popular in universities among student freelancers that the test prep market is expected to grow at a rate of 6% annually until 2027. 10. Walk dogs and pet sit. These days, people treat their pets as members of the family, so there's a growing demand for reliable people to take care of their furry loved ones. In the past, finding clients was the hardest part of becoming a dog walker or pet sitter, but with apps like Rover, Wag, PetSitter.com, and Petbacker, it's easier than ever to find good clients in need of a hand. Side hustles are a great way to earn extra income, but like all new ventures, they require a bit of legwork up front in order to get traction. If you don't choose an idea that fits your current lifestyle, It's easy for this extra work to sink to the bottom of your to-do list and eventually fall by the wayside. For this reason, unique side hustles often feel less like a chore and more like a creative outlet that places craft and commerce on equal footing. An underappreciated benefit of side hustles is that they can act as a sandbox where you learn how to make good money online. Making extra money online is a distinct skill, and since most of us rely on traditional careers to pay the bills, it doesn't always feel intuitive. Side hustles offer you a way to test small business ideas and practice in public. And side hustles aren't just a tool for making side income. Starting a side hustle is a way to teach yourself valuable skills and help yourself grow as a professional and as an entrepreneur. For writers, actors, painters, musicians, and artists of all types, a side hustle can prove artistic independence, professional growth, and, eventually, a profitable way to turn your passion into your career.